Life can get quiet in a way that hurts sometimes. No friends, no family, nothing at all. At least that's how it feels. You keep showing up, but your mind keeps circling. But the hard truth is that the spiral talks loud, but it doesn't have authority over you. It guesses, it dramatizes, it drags you back to yesterday. But at the end of the day, you don't need a crowd to get steady. You need one solid anchor that you can reach today. Most people, they chase noise when they're lonely. More messages, more feeds, more background noise. But attention isn't oxygen. Being seen isn't the same as being held by your own life. No amount of followers, side quests, or polished morning routines, nothing compares to that one honest action that proves you're on your own side. There's a saying, if you're going through hell, keep going. It sounds brutal, but when your brain starts to fear, courage is all you have. Remember, small motion beats heavy meaning, because the meaning's always kept up later. There's what looks like connection, and there's what builds steadiness. There's chasing relief, and there's building nerve. The harsh reality is that relief is easy to find, but quick to vanish. Nerve is dull to build and hard to break. So if you feel like you have no one, you start by giving yourself something you can't argue with later. What actually matters when the room is empty? It's evidence. You need proof that you showed up for yourself. Not fancy, not shareable, just undeniable proof. Think of your mind like a stadium at 2 a.m. Every seat has a different voice, all of them with opinions. You're not going to win by debating the whole crowd. You win by cutting power to the speakers and walking to the field. The field is action. The action becomes proof. The proof quiets the stance. The main point I want to drive home is that steadiness is a practice. You don't find it, you generate it. And you generate it through tiny moves that survive the mood. So what's the plan when it feels like we've got no one? You keep it concrete, you ground your body, cold water on your face, your feet flat, breathe out longer than you breathe in. You make a useful change that's too small to dodge. You do the simple chores that depend on you, because you're stacking proof, you're not chasing perfection. The spiral hates tangible wins, because it runs on ambiguity. So kill the ambiguity, then make one outward contact with reality. Not a grand reconciliation, just one nod to the world. By sharing kindness to one another, but most importantly to yourself. You might ask, what if it stays like this? But don't worry. Moments move. Or what if I reach out and no one replies? You did the brave thing, and that counts. You need to be willing to be on your own side before anyone else signs off on you. Chasing feelings make you wait for the mood to change. Building footing means you change what the mood has to work with. No amount of overthinking, doom scrolling, or imaginary rehearsals, nothing compares to one visible step you could point to now. That's how this works. You act like you belong, and slowly you belong. At the end of the day, your brain learns from what you repeat. If you repeat avoidance, it gets fluent in panic. If you repeat small, doable courage, it gets fluent in calm. You choose the dialect. You might be thinking, yeah, but I'm awkward, broke, not interesting. Who the hell cares? You don't need to be impressive to be steady. You need to be consistent enough to convince your own body that you're safe. People who feel safe move better. And people who move better meet people easier. That's the order. Safety, motion, then connection. not the other way around. The truth is, nobody is coming to rescue your morning. And that's not a threat, it's freedom. You don't have to wait for permission. You could be the first reliable person in your life today. You're not broken for needing this daily. You're a human. The heaviness doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're early to the cleansing. Early feels lonely until it doesn't. And the life you're building in small, simple moves can hold you when people can't.